Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to do a science activity named water drinking ghost. And through this activity we will try to understand the capillary action. Okay, let us start. For this activity we need some material, that is a plain paper, a pair of scissors, some colored pen, napkin, two transparent glasses, one having water and the other one empty, and you may need some sellotape. Okay, first step is take the plain sheet and draw a picture of ghost. You can draw any type of picture you like I have drawn a picture. Then take the pair of scissors and cut the ghost. See here, I have already done the picture of the ghost. Is it nice? Okay, then next step is take the napkin and try to roll it like a straw or a pipe. You can roll it softly or hard as you like. This napkin is going to do the action of the capillary. Like a straw. Just see here, I folded it many times. You can tighten the ends of the capillary. Now next we will take the two glasses, one empty and one full. You can put any color also inside the glass or inside the water. First of all, we will take the empty glass and try to fix the ghost picture with some sellotape on it. As you can see, I am fixing it with its mouth open. I have put its mouth open. I have left a space so that I can put that straw that I have made with the napkin. I need some more sellotape to fix it. Okay, it's done, I think. Now you see, we will take this rolled napkin and put one of its ends in the empty glass through the ghost mouth, and second end we will put inside water. Here I have taken plain water. I have done this experiment earlier also with colored water, where the napkin when absorbs water it becomes colored. Okay. Now you can see the water is being absorbed by the napkin. Water is rising in this napkin. So it will take some time, almost 25 to 30 minutes to absorb water properly. The capillary action will take place through this napkin and the water will be transferred to the other side, that means to the empty glass. Let me show you that I have done it before. Just see here, the two glasses that I had done half an hour before. The water here you can see is colored. It's just turmeric powder I have dissolved in water, nothing else. You can easily find it in your homes, in your kitchen. Look, the water has already transferred to the empty glass. You can see the water. Now let us understand what is capillary action. Basically, capillary action is the ability of a liquid to flow upwards in narrow spaces without the assistance of any external forces. This capillary action allows water to move upwards due to the surface tension of water molecules and the intermolecular forces between the water and the surrounding surfaces. Without this flow, our body cells wouldn't rehydrate, and vital communication between your brain and body would slow down. Capillary action, this is the reason why is important for moving water around. Hope you like this activity. Do perform this activity at your homes and send me the videos. Thank you.